Welcome back to PevyGrid, a data solution by PevySpace that provides very simplified extract, transform, and load functionalities. In the last video, we created a workspace, demo workspace. Remember that PevyGrid is organized around workspaces. If you haven't watched the previous introduction video, please find the link in the description box. In today's video, we will be exploring the data import functionality. To import data, while on the Datasets tab, simply click on the Import Data button. PevyGrid gives you the ability to import data from various sources, as you can see. The process is quite easy. Select a data source, add source details, preview your data, and finish the import process. Let's go through the importation process for some of the sources. Let's start with Excel. Select Excel as your data source. Provide your Excel file. Set the preferred name of your data set. Add a description that is optional. Here we get to see a preview of our data set, the first 5 entries and the last 5 entries, and all the columns. In the last step, we give you a view of the summary of your dataset. We have 22 entries, 5 columns, and the data types of your columns. Once you save this, you get to see the dataset in full. That is all the rows and all the columns. And it's that easy to import an Excel file. Let's import a CSV file. The process is similar. Select CSV as your source. Provide the CSV file. Set the preferred name. Here we get to see the preview. Again, first 5 rows and last 5 rows of your dataset and all the columns. In the last step, we get to see that we have 33 entries, 16 columns, and the data types of our columns. Let's save this and get to see the full view of our data set. All the entries and all the columns. By default, you get to see the tabular view. You can also view your data in JSON format. And this is how it looks like.